From massive bridge construction sites to the heart of heavy engineering, this crawler crane represents the power behind modern infrastructure. Inside the factory, thousands of components, hydraulic systems, and lattice structures are assembled through controlled industrial processes. From robotic welding to final calibration, every stage is engineered to ensure reliability in the harshest environments. This is the complete manufacturing journey of one of the world's most powerful crawler cranes. Every giant crane begins with high-tensile steel built to strict industrial standards. Surface treatment removes scale and prepares the steel for stronger downstream processing. Robotic inspection confirms the plate meets precision requirements before fabrication starts. Clean and uniform material at this stage protects the strength of every future lift.
Check the feed rate on the interface.
Advanced CNC cutting defines the exact geometry of every structural crane component. Heavy hydraulic presses apply controlled force to shape high-strength steel into load-bearing sections.
見てくださいよね、この精度。素晴らしいですね。溶接の瞬尾がこれで完璧ですね。
Precision inspection ensures each cut and bend meets strict engineering tolerances. Accurate forming transforms flat steel into structural elements ready for welding integration. Precision automated welding forms the structural backbone of each crane boom section. Laser alignment ensures every segment remains perfectly straight under extreme load conditions. Ultrasonic testing verifies that each weld is free from hidden internal defects.
Okay, easy now. Just a little more to the left.
(3D) scanning confirms that every boom segment meets exact geometric specifications before final assembly. The chassis forms the structural backbone of the crane, built to handle extreme mechanical loads under demanding industrial conditions. Precision welding ensures maximum rigidity across every major load-bearing connection throughout the entire structural frame. Advanced inspection guarantees that every structural joint meets strict safety and reliability standards before moving forward. The raw steel chassis is now fully formed and ready for integration with critical mechanical systems in the next stage. Hydraulic cylinders act as the primary force generators inside the crane system, requiring extreme precision to operate under immense internal pressure. Chrome plating and precision honing create ultra-smooth surfaces that minimize friction and prevent wear and hydraulic leakage over time. High-pressure testing verifies that each cylinder can withstand extreme operating conditions without failure during demanding lifting operations. Fully tested hydraulic cylinders are now ready for seamless integration into the main crane structure in the next stage. The locomotive system is engineered with high torque precision to ensure stable mobility across demanding industrial terrain conditions. Each track shoe and connection pin is manufactured for extreme durability, supporting the immense operational weight of crawler-based crane systems. All mobility components are verified and prepared for seamless integration into the main crane chassis assembly. A massive slew ring is suspended above the base, prepared for precise and controlled installation. A heavy engine module is carefully guided into the frame with slow, stable, and controlled motion.
Coming down easy.
The winch unit is gradually lowered into position, completing a major functional system of the crane.
Looks good. Set it down easy.
Weight distribution is carefully measured across the entire chassis using precision sensor platforms to ensure structural balance and load stability. Final measurements confirm gear precision, ensuring all tolerances are accurate and fully within required limits. Cable looms are carefully routed through the structure, forming the primary electrical pathways of the crane system. Multi-pin connectors and control interfaces are precisely installed, linking sensors and operator control systems together. Electronic signals are verified and calibrated, ensuring stable communication across all integrated machine systems. Final electrical testing confirms full system stability, preparing the crane for complete functional operation. With all electrical systems fully integrated, the machine is now ready for final validation and operational testing. Workers carefully apply masking protection around sensitive hydraulic and electronic components before coating begins. Robotic systems apply the signature industrial yellow coating with controlled precision across the crane structure. A transparent protective layer is added to improve durability and resistance against corrosion and industrial wear. Final surface inspection confirms coating quality and structural readiness before the crane moves to the next assembly stage. The crawler crane enters structural calibration, where every movement is measured under controlled load conditions. Massive certified weights are lifted slowly to verify crawler stability and lattice boom integrity under stress. Controlled slew rotation testing confirms balance, structural rigidity, and hydraulic coordination during heavy lifting operations. Engineers carefully inspect wire ropes, pulleys, and hook assemblies after maximum load validation procedures are completed. Final engineering analysis confirms the crawler crane is fully validated and prepared for real-world heavy lifting operations. Every surface is carefully polished and refined, revealing the final industrial finish of the crawler crane. Protective preparation begins as critical hydraulic components and control systems are secured for shipment. Final transport securing procedures confirm the crawler crane is fully prepared for delivery to major construction projects worldwide. From raw steel plates to one of the world's most powerful lifting machines, every stage of this crawler crane reflects the precision, discipline, and engineering dedication behind modern heavy industry. Built to handle massive infrastructure projects across the globe, these machines represent far more than industrial equipment. They are the result of thousands of hours of manufacturing expertise, advanced technology, and relentless commitment to reliability under extreme conditions.
NextGen Machine Works, building the impossible. Subscribe to join the future.